Hi guys, happy Thursday. Let's go over what we're going to do today and let me know if you have any questions. Okay. So in ELA, you've been working on water and water usage at your house. You should have your tally chart from 2 days ago, where you're tallying up how many times you flush the toilet and you run the sink and you fill up the bathtub or take a shower. So today you're going to write about that prediction. So it says, was your personal water usage in the last 24 hours more or less or exactly what you predicted or hypothesized about? So what you're going to write is you're going to write your findings from the personal water study. Include in your conclusion page if your actual water usage was more than, less than, or the same as you hypothesized, and include your reaction from the findings. So were you surprised? Did you use more water or less water than you thought? And then lastly, if you need to decrease your water amount, if you use lots and lots of water and you think it's a good idea for you to decrease that, how would you encourage others to do that? Or what would you do and to try to lessen how much water you're using? Right? Like 1 to 2 action steps. So like in the future, I can take less showers or shorter showers or that kind of thing. So that's what you're doing today. I have a little video. I think it might be the same one as before, but click on it, check it out. For math, we are partitioning rectangles, and a partition just means to break apart. So think about a partition like cubicles at your mom or dad's work. It's that wall that breaks apart the room. Okay. So like, for example, we remember our song, I am a column. I go up and down, rows go sideways. So if I wanted to break apart this first rectangle in the very first picture, and I wanted to make it so that it had 5 columns and 3 rows, here's a trick. You always draw 1 less line. So if you want 5 columns, you draw 4 lines and you would have 5 columns. If you want 3 rows, you draw 2 lines and you have 3 rows. So you can see in the first picture, I created the columns. Yeah. So I created by drawing 4 lines down as equal as possible. So it's okay if they're a little off, but you want to try to make it as equal as possible. And then you can see in the last picture, I added the 2 lines to the side, creating 2 rows. And then if I were to write an addition sentence for this, for maybe the columns, it would be 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15 total squares now instead of like dots. So you're going to draw a rectangle and you're going to partition it into rows and columns. So like for the first one, you're going to draw a rectangle and then you're going to make it into 2 columns and 4 rows. So 2 columns, you would draw 1 line. 4 rows, you would draw 3 lines. Okay. Then you're going to write the repeated addition to find the total. And it doesn't matter if the repeated addition is for the columns or the rows, whatever one you want to do. So here are some little online practice. So this is about breaking things into thirds and halves and fourths. So it's a short introduction on fractions. All right, for art today, you're going to choose one of these things. It says, draw a picture of a place you want to go on vacation. Miss Sisson's place would be the beach, or where you have been before. Make a scribble, so like just scribble all over and then give it a face and arms and legs and make it a little person. Or draw a car that you might find in the future. Those are fun things. And then today is a rest day for your recess activity. If you have any questions, just let me know. I hope to see you on our Google Meet today. Hopefully I'll have a surprise to show you. We'll see. Miss Pritchett is going to be joining us, so hopefully I'll get to see you there. Talk to you all later and love you.